Today I will show you if the water is leaking from here, how can we solve that problem if the water is leaking from this side. So I will show you. In this, water is leaking. Now I am pressing the T button. When I press the T button, you can see the water is leaking from here. Water is leaking. I will show you one more time. When I press the T button, the water is leaking. Water is leaking from here. It is only because there is one washer is inside over here. It got damaged. That is why the water is getting leaked. So we need to remove that washer and put it a new one. So it cost only like 5 rupees or 10 rupees. That's all. I'll show you one more time. Okay, see, water is leaking. Okay, you have to remove like this. Remove like this. You have to turn like this. Turn like this. Take it out. And you have to remove this washer. This washer. This is the one which fits over here. This is the one which fits over here. This washer got like this. You can see a small hole has came down over there. So that is why the water is leaking from the back side. So we need to put a new washer. We will put a new washer, then we will try. So I will show you how to remove this thing. You have to remove with a screwdriver like this. You have to remove. So it got damaged. This one has got damaged. And now we will fix this one. This is a new one. You can see a small rubber over here. This over here you can see a small extra rubber. So you have to fix it over this side. There's over here. It should have over here. This one. This extra rubber is here. You have to fix it down over here like this. Like this. Slowly you have to do it. Okay. And you have to slightly turn like this. It will get fixed. Now it will not get fixed because the angle is not correct. You have to turn it slightly like this. I think it got fixed. Let's see. Now it got. So after that you have to fix it over here. Like this. And then we will put this one. You have to press it first, then you have to turn. Okay, and you have to put into this hole. And final one, you see this one will go inside this. You have to press it a little bit over there, and then you have to put it like this. And then the last one, this one, we'll put it. Now it will not be leaking. I will show you.